Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how Nano Banana is changing the game for AI image generation and image editing to the point where it can seriously compete with Photoshop. So let's get jump right in. First of all, open lmarena.ai. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site opens, you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on the login button at the top right corner, and you can either continue using your Google account or sign up with your email address. For this video, I'll use a temporary email. So open a temp mail and click on the first website and wait a few seconds for a new email address to be generated. Copy that email address, go back to LM Arena, paste it into the email section and click on continue with email. Next, enter your name and click on create account. Now you will receive a verification email. Go back to temp mail and refresh the inbox. Now open the email from LM Arena and click on verify email. After that, you will be asked to create a password. Enter your password. Confirm the same password. And then click on finish button. Finally, complete the human verification step and your account setup will be complete. Now, at the top left corner, click on battle mode and select direct chat. After that, make sure to enable AI image generation and then click on max. Here you'll see access to multiple AI image generation models like Gemini 3.1, ChatGPT Image 1, Gemini 3 Pro, Grok Image, Flex 2 Max, Ideogram. But for this video, select Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, also known as Nano Banana. Now enter your prompt describing the AI image you want to generate. Then click on submit. Wait for a couple of moments while the AI processes your request and your AI image will be generated based on your prompt. Here you can see my image has been generated exactly according to the prompt I provided using this free tool. Now let's make some changes to the same image. Simply copy or upload the generated image again, paste it below and enter another prompt describing the changes you want. After that, again submit the same image and again wait for a couple of moments so the changes you want to make can be complete. As you can see, the new edited image is ready, completely updated based on the new prompt. So with this tool, you can generate unlimited AI images for free and even edit your existing images quickly and easily without spending hours in Photoshop. Just upload the image or copy paste the image, type your prompt for the changes you want to make in the uploaded or created image, and at the end, see the magic of this tool. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.